Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know the model that's in here, I just have never handled it before, so we're gonna experience that together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This was sent to me by Jared. Thank you very much, Jared. What are we looking at today? I will link this down below if I can, and I'll link Kizer knives as well. They've got a lot of cool stuff right now, so make sure you check those out. It's helpful when you use my links, but it's up to you. This is the Kizer Assasin, which I think is a fairly new model. I was browsing and I got a look at it and thought that kind of looks cool. Yeah, it's a button lock. What do we have here? I was like, what is going? Oh my god! So I want you guys to see this. This is not a review. So, oh my god, I love that. I love this. The joke being, if you're new, that whenever I unbox things, there's always new people going, this was a terrible review. You didn't give us any information. It's because I'm unboxing it, right? So it's always funny, right? And this gentleman has opted to make sure that that's very clear right off the bat. Thank you very much. Very cool. This has one of those. So this is this doesn't come with a knife. It's just one of those sort of aftermarket like thumb stud things that you can attach to pretty much anything. This is a Kizer button lock, and I don't know. Did I handle a Kizer button lock here recently? Anyways, the Assassin model I thought looked really cool. And yeah, this is cool. I don't know where all this is available. What is this steel on this? Sorry, I bumped the camera. I'll always do that. Which I think underneath there it says 154 cm. That's likely what it is. Micarta, kind of it's not quite a full size. Let's put it up here with a pair of 3. Yeah, it's about a pair of 3 size knife with a flipper tab and a button lock. And the flipper tab's okay. I think this would be just about perfect with, like, it's kind of like what he's done here is added the, just because when it's a knife that's a bit smaller in the handle, I don't want a flipper tab there. I want to make use of this area with my finger, right? So I want it to be a thumb stud opener and not a flipper. But I think most people would enjoy it anyway, and especially with people who have maybe a little bit smaller hands than me. This is a really good looking knife, especially. You see that they've shadow boxed this area right here so you can see the reflectivity of the liners underneath and this nice flat micarta. This actually looks really good, especially in contrast with Kizer's wonderful high polished tumbled finish on this drop point blade. Nice extension of jimping. I'm glad they did that all the way out to here. That's really cool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty much exactly what I expected it to be, the Kizer Assasin. Pretty thin down there behind the edge as well. Did you do this? Is this a factory edge? No, I don't think so. I think maybe he did that. That looks pretty high polished. It's nice though. Yeah, milling on the inside. Lockup is plenty solid. This is a traditional, not a liner lock operated button lock. Or I'm sorry, a button operated liner lock. This is a true plunge lock. You can see there the cylinder going in and out. That's what's interacting with the tang back here where those little smudges are. Yeah, okay. This is pretty cool. I doubt it's horribly expensive. Given that it's steel and micarta and 154 cm, I bet it's on the less expensive side for Kizer. I'm assuming I can keep this. I kind of want to just lay that out there for every every review. I like the little dagger pendant too. That's pretty cool. Look at there. Yeah. Pretty sweet. Bet that's made out of some high quality some high quality metal. Let's put it that way. That's pretty sweet though. I appreciate this. If you want it back, I'll give it back to you. But I'm hoping you let me keep that. Anyways, I think it's going to be it. You'll get a full comprehensive review of this knife a few weeks down the road. I will link it down below if I can, so be sure to check out those links. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.